My name is Jay Lippert. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Sensit Technologies. Today I want to introduce to you the UltraTrack APL or Acoustic Pipe Locator. Skip the preliminaries. This started as a Gas Technology Institute project back in the 1990s. Funding is through GRI, GTI, OTD, and FEMSA. Research was supported by many of the member utilities, and Sensit was granted the technology license, the commercialization license back in 2011. And you can see this is the original version of what you see right here. It's quite a difference from where we got it to where it is today. Some of the functional goals for the APL was to locate unmarked piping systems. For example, plastic pipe that does not have tracer wire or broken tracer wire or any sewer laterals, field tile systems, anything that's basically hollow. It runs on an ultrasound technology. You don't need access to the system. You don't need to hook up to the meter set or run any wires down through the pipe to get the location. There's basically two buttons. It says one button operation, but there's actually two on there that operate the controls. You can detect multiple pipes within the regulatory requirements. Okay, as you know, on locates, you need to be the typical parameters are 18 inches plus or minus on either side. We've got it down to about between 2 and 4 inches right now. It operates in all soil conditions, grass, concrete, asphalt, doesn't make a difference. So what we were tasked with is converting that big package on the left to what you see on the right there, which is similar to our prototype here, but still a little bit different. The way it works is you take the locator, put it on the ground, press a button that sends down ultrasonic waves into the ground in an inverted cone shape. You go 6 inches or 12-inch increments by using a tape measure going along with that, and it will send the sound down and it will bounce back to the receivers on the bottom of the instrument. We call them pings, and what happens is the receiver will listen for that reflected ping. Each time you press the button, it's called a slice, and a set of slices is called a scan. Basically, you start it up, wait for it to warm up. There's a couple of options that you have, like depth, whether you're going left to right or right to left. That's really about it. Push the button and it sends that ping down. When you get done with at least 3 of the slices, you'll press the calculate button and it will set up a scan and it will tell you where that pipe was, if it was at the 6-inch mark, 12-inch mark, or wherever it was on your tape measure. We can demonstrate this for you in our booth. I'm not sure what our booth number is, but it's the one on the end. But we've got some conduit that goes through the floor down there, and we can show you exactly what the display looks like when you find pipe. Right now, as you see, this is the prototype. We're in the alpha testing. Beta testing will be next month, and it will be available for delivery in the 4th quarter of this year. Here's just a few examples of what we found. That middle picture, for example, was an 1.25-inch water line that was 14 inches down. That was a 12-inch backhoe bucket, and you can see that it's pretty much dead center on the mark. And that is about it. I'd love to show it to you.